What's up, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy El Gordito, and I'm here with the Chile Verde Chicken Fried Mukbang. So what I got here is my wife. She fried these chicken legs, as you can see. Let me bring them up here. She fried them. She dipped them in Chile Verde, and then she rolled them in the flour, I guess, dipped them in the Chile Verde. I really don't know how she did it. But anyway, Chile Verde, chili lime flavor. Oh my God, they're fire. And then over here, I got some papas fritas. So yeah, man, this is gonna be good, boy. Woo! I'm so excited to be back with you guys. Oh man, I need to start working on my channel. I've had all kinds of stuff going on. Life has been crazy. I hosted a benefit for my primo. We raised thousands of dollars, man. I was so proud of myself. My primo died, and we raised thousands of dollars for his kids. So anyway, I got some guacamole here, and I'm going to be talking a lot because I'm excited to be back with you. Anyway, so let's get started. Let's check out this chicken and see what's up, all right? I got my chile right here because, man, you know I love my Jerez. And, man, I'm gonna pour some on here. Like this here. Woo, girl. Look at that. Ay, papacito. Mira. Ay, no, mamacita. Mira. Let me see. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Check it out. Oh, my. Oh, my. This is so good. These legs are huge, yo. Legs are huge. I'm starving. Oh, man. Yeah. This is delicious, guys. So, I got a lot of exciting stuff coming up that I'm going to be doing. Choose this up first. Que sabor, oh, que sabor. Alright. Not going to eat and try to tell you. So, I'm going to be doing the Javier Juarez Cholo Challenge. That's right. And once I do it, I'm going to challenge you guys to do the Javier Juarez Cholo Challenge. If you don't know who Javier Juarez is, he's my boy from South Cal, Javier Juarez. He's a big cholo. You see on Brown Pride Facebook. Man, I've connected with him. And yeah, man, I ordered some shirts from him and some hoodies and some hats. Anyway, I'm gonna be doing the slap them Converse Cholo Challenge. Slap the Converse. Anyway, that ought to be fun. Javier Juarez, look him up. Javier Juarez, Facebook. The dude is awesome. So yeah, I got a lot of exciting stuff coming up. I don't play when I eat chicken, but I'm tearing it all up. I've been tearing it up. I set them there on the chip. Let me see. You know, because when I was little, you know, if I didn't clean my bones, man, my abuelita. That's how you eat chicken right there. You clean that bone. You don't leave nothing that's not. That's it right there. That's how you eat a chicken bone, yo. That's how you eat chicken, that's it. So, Ah. Let me check these potatoes out, these papitas. I love my wife's fried potatoes. I don't know what she does to them. They're just fire. There's a little bit of huevitos in there. I don't know. They're good. So, yeah. Man, there's a few new restaurants in town I'm going to take you guys to. I'm excited. Jimmy's Pizza's in town. Padre, Santísimo, madre mía, ay. This is so good, yo. Man, Mama Jen hooked it up today. I'm just excited to be back in front of the camera. I'll be working on building my channel. I got some guacamole over here. My wife makes some guacamole. Guacamole, oh, they're good. They're good. So this one A. So this one A. So, man. So what's everybody been on? Like I said, I've been busy. I had time to relax the past couple days. So, I've been watching a lot of Damien Chapa films. If you don't know who Damien Chapa is, he's Miklo from Blood In, Blood Out. His films are okay. They're all on some gangster shit, but they're low budget, man. Blood In, Blood Out, the only one he did that was like really, really good. I want the Blatos Locos 1 and 2. It's alright. And then, of course, you got El Padrino. That movie was alright too. But yeah. And if you ain't seen Blood In, Blood Out, you better watch it. It's a bad-ass movie. Man. It was delicious, yo. Jenny, I give you a 10. Point 10. She's not in here. She went back. She's talking to her friend on the phone. They be talking on the phone and shit. Be like, man, like gossip central. Be talking about everybody in the neighborhood. Like, did you see what Miss Susie did the other day? That's what I've been on my own business. You know how these women are. These married women just stay home. Chismosas. Ay, chingado. Man. These women are the ones that be looking out the back door and see what everybody's doing and shit. Remember? You remember you guys had them ass to do that shit? I know. My tias, same way. Good. Man, this is fire. All right. Look at that, man. Hueso. I don't know if I can eat this whole one, man. I'm getting full. I was so starving when I come in the door. What are they? Oh. Well, yep. Be expecting my regularly uploaded videos. Because we're about to do this thing. I'm about to grow this channel. Look for some collabs coming. I ain't gonna say who. I got some collabs set up. Let them be a surprise to you. Yeah. All right. So yeah, it's delicious. Delicious. Man, I sure miss being in front of camera. Talking to you guys. I gotta get caught up on my videos. The ones I can. I know I'm behind. Man, life's crazy sometimes, you know. Leads you on paths that you never guessed to be on, you know. Crazy. But, you know, everything happens for a reason. Everything. We're all here to do one thing. And I know this sounds morbid, but we're just born to live and die. That's it. So that's why we gotta make the best of our lives every day. Love everyone around you. Respect everyone around you. That's why I keep it G. Old school. That's me. Keep it old school. Respect, love. Treat everybody how you'd want to be treated. Love your mother, love your father. That's what you gotta do. That's the way you gotta live these days. Because it's a crazy world out there. Shit, man, just down over here, man. They robbed the bank today. That fool done ruined his life. What was left of it? For what? For them to catch him 5 minutes later in the Carl's Jr. parking lot, in the Hardee's parking lot? Pendejo. This is so good, guys. I'm telling you what. That is my favorite part right here. The skin. I'm saving it for last. That's on Mama Jam. Mama Jam. Come here. I love you guys. Now I'm gonna tell her what this is. Because I forgot what it was. I gave him a little bit of description, but so how'd you make this?
I just fried chicken. It just had jalapeno seasoning in it.
Okay, jalapeno seasoning.
Jalapeno fried chicken.
Jalapeno fried chicken. Oh, I thought you dipped it in the chile verde.
No, I decided not to. It tasted good without the chile verde.
Ah,
That would have took away the crispiness of the chicken.
Oh, you did good. Okay, guys. Mama Jen's a shit. Happy to be back with you. Expect my regularly uploaded videos. And, hey, thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a video. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my followers who support me on my YouTube journey. I'm out of here. We'll see you this week. Peace and chicken grease. I'm out.